Psychological emotional issues in male infertile patients. I am Dr. Neeraja, fertility specialist from Hyderabad. As a fertility specialist, so I am seeing so many male infertile patients. As a part of evaluation, we will do semen analysis. When you see the any abnormality in semen analysis, it's very difficult to counsel male patients, especially when compared to female patients. So if the semen parameters are low, if you tell the patient like that, oh, they will be under anxiety, depression, sadness. There are so many psychological issues. They'll be under stress. So all these symptoms we can tell as a psychological impotence. So nowadays we are seeing so many male infertile patients. What may be the reason? It may be due to stress, work pressure, smoking, alcohol, or any unhealthy lifestyle, not doing exercise, or wearing loose tight undergarments, tight pants, and keeping mobile phones in their pockets. So all these are the reasons. Some may have chromosomal abnormalities, Klinefelter syndrome, Y chromosome deletions. These are all causes for low sperm count. Or some patients, they may have mumps in their childhood, so affecting testes, leading to low sperm count. So what are all the options? So we need to see whether it is treatable cause or untreatable cause. So ask them to reduce the stress. Psychological counseling is very, very important along with proper treatment, allopathic treatment. So every time they'll be under low self-esteem. So we need to counsel them a lot, and along with that, we need to tell healthy lifestyle, stress management, and not using tight undergarments, and not to keep cell phones in their pants. These are all very, very important. Along with that, we'll advise scrotal cooling. So every day 10 to 15 minutes they need to take ice cubes and cover it in the cloth, and they need to put over scrotum on and off every day for 10 to 15 minutes. It helps to increase the motility of the sperms, to increase the viability of the sperms, to increase the count a little bit. So this is very good option. So along with that, we'll give some clomiphene tablets, antioxidants. So these are all options. Actually, it's a vicious circle. So psychologically, they will become low self-esteem. Again, they'll have more stress. It increases cortisol, increases prolactin. Again, they'll have low count. If they low count, again psychological impact. So it's a vicious circle. We need to break the cycle by giving proper psychological counseling.